Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. My name is Pete, and this is P Life. So we got Paul from Design Shield doing the mirrors on the T. These are the sport design mirrors. These are a little bit painful, it looks like. We're trying to configure a plan here. 59% humidity. Got this dehumidifier in the garage with the door open. Genius over here. Seems to be working. So this is the Paul patented sport design seam.
Don't show me it. I'm finished.
No, it's alright. Started up in here and had to curve it out a little bit. Looks pretty good, man.
It'll look better, no? Or
Oh, it will for sure. We haven't even applied the heat. Looks seamless when you tuck it in like that.
Look at how it turned out so far.
Damn.
I was able to tuck it nicely. Perfect.
Well, you got it all the way. Nice, so getting the corners nice and tight. Do you have to put in any additional soap and stuff? How does that work? It just kind of sticks right on?
Yeah, it has an adhesive back there.
Wow, you're even tucking it under the gasket there.
You know,
Pretty awesome. Rob Murphy from Design Shield.
Hi.
What's up?
Hey, what's up?
We got Paul doing the finishing touches on this beautiful bumper. Guys, you guys have been amazing today. Been at it for what, like 5-6 hours. Absolutely meticulous job. Wrapping different bumper panels. Dealing with my OCD. I'll do a full clip of all the seams and everything for everybody, but I just wanted to say thank you, Rob. And what's the best way to get in touch with you if people need to reach out for some more?
www.designshielding.com, or my number is 847-903-1019. You can call or text, either way.
All right, so we're here with my my boy Dave, my neighbor, and we're gonna go over the paint protection film, see what he thinks of it from a non-partisan standpoint. So yeah, Dave, we got this film that's covering the front half of the car. It's called Suntek Ultra. Super clear, actually. You can't tell that. I don't know if you can tell which panels are actually done here. If you want to give it a try.
I can't notice it at all. Pete, how high up does it go?
All right. So what we did was I did everything from the bottom front lip spoiler all the way to the hood line and up to this line right here in the front door, including the gas cap, and then they also did the mirrors here as well. And they did a couple of other custom strips. But the nice thing about what they did is, for the most part, if they could actually do the panel where they can wrap the edge of the film, between the two panels, they did that. And so it's seamless. And there's a lot of different design that they did. So, like for example, for panels like this, they have to cut the edge. So
Right.
if you see the edge there, so you can see the edge of the film.
Right there. If you get up real close, I see what you're talking about. So that'll really protect it as far as any nicks, little pebbles and things like that. I mean, let's say worst case scenario, you get a little pebble, and it might damage that, but not the paint itself.
Absolutely, you can theoretically key this, and nothing will happen to it.
Right.
So in addition to the nice custom edges that they did, which most places won't do that, they actually got this piece, which is super complicated, and actually two pieces. So the piece comes here, it wraps around the back actually, up until the sharp edge. I don't know if you can see that right here. So the edge actually wraps into the inside.
Yeah, right inside there.
Yeah, and it wraps into the inside here to protect these, which get kind of screwed up with pebbles, because these are really sticky tires. And then they actually stretched it out to one piece. It's actually 3 pieces, but this is one piece on the top. This is one piece.
Yeah, with
to
these
the other side.
And that, it had to be hard to do, but you can't tell at all.
Yeah, and then they just have cutouts here for the little sensors, and they had a relief cut here. But otherwise, this looks really, really seamless, and there's really good coverage in between the lines.
It sure is. Got a nice shine to it too. It matches the car.
Actually, I actually waxed it.
If you didn't tell me it was there, I wouldn't know.
Yeah, absolutely not. The other couple things that I did, because I wanted to get the high impact areas, is I did these mirrors also. And these are actually 3 pieces. There's one here, one that wraps around the bottom, and then one on the inside.
Very nice.
These are these are a pain in the butt. And then this comes with like a shark fin looking like really thick protection for this where the hip of the car is. And what I had them do actually is I had them cut this custom piece, which is like a side skirt protector where it comes all the way inside to the door, and it's probably a couple inches higher than the factory one. And then I had to make a relief cut here, and basically they covered this entire panel. So this is pretty nice because this is a high impact area because that's where the car flares out. And then the last thing, because I've seen these before with a lot of miles on them, and I had them put a stone protector, from the inside here around the back. So it actually looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Definitely takes the stress off of driving it. I've been driving it, I don't know, a few hundred miles since I put this on.
You don't have any worries if you get behind that truck that's hauling the gravel and stuff like that, which I know you won't do.
It came out really nice, man. I'm super happy with it.
Well, looks great.
Specification video, the wicked exhaust clips, and the drive with the beautiful 458 Italia and a bunch of other supercars, including the GT3 RS. Please hit the thumbs up button, and if you like, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.
Doing it for Pete.
That's right.
It's doing it for people.
That is doing it.